Hello friends, and we're back in Barbara's kitchen with another quick crockpot recipe. Here I have 1 pound of chicken. It's whole. It's 1 pound of chicken breast. And then I'm just going to add some stuffing. My camera is really close to my crockpot. So we're just adding some stovetop stuffing or whatever stuffing you like and choose. Okay, then we're going to pour some gravy on there. Choose what gravy you would like. You can also use chicken gravy for this too. I'm using turkey. That's all I had was turkey. Okay, so we got that done. Then what we're going to do is pour some chicken broth in here also. Maybe like 2 cups. All right, and then what we're going to need is some sour cream and some cream of mushroom, okay? A cup of sour cream and some cream of mushroom, and then let's just mix that up. Mix, 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 mix. Mix, mix, mix. Perfect. And we're just going to pour that in there. Make sure you get it all. If you make this recipe, could you please tell me how you liked it? And if you liked it, give me a thumbs up. And if there's anything that you would change about it, let me know, okay? I would like to read those comments. Okay, we got that done. All right, and then next, I'm going to put some, these are our frozen green beans, but you can use any frozen green beans, even from the store. Oh, one more. Okay, and then I am going to go ahead and add some French onions on top of that. Top that off. I think this is going to taste really good. Oh, that does look really good. Okay, and that is it. Now add your lid, put it on high, and cook high for 4 to 5 hours, or you could cook it low for 7 to 8. I gotta tell you the truth, 9 times out of 10, I'm always got my crock pot on high because I never got the time and I need things quick. Okay, my friends. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you like to see more quick crockpot recipes, please subscribe. Thank you. I will be right back after this is done to, get a nice spoon out because I want to see the inside, the chicken and everything. Okay, my friends. Bye. Okay, friends, here we are and we're back. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Does look pretty darn good. All right. Get a piece of chicken. There we go. And that's what it looks like. Okay. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe and come back for more crockpot recipes.